Today is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Come with me as I pick up my keys on my new apartment. I can't really take off the smile on my face, for this is the day at last. The long wait is over. I'm just so excited to go and see what my apartment looks like. It was during lunchtime that I'm scheduled to pick up the key, so I brought my lunchbox with me because I was planning to eat at my apartment. Char! At dahil sa sobrang excited ko, muntik na akong mawala sa motorway kasi nakalimutan kong mag-exit. So supposedly 27 minutes lang ang biyahe from work, naging 40 minutes. Grabe. Sabi ko sa inyo guys on my previous video na hindi ko pa nakita yung apartment na to, so I'm just like so excited to see what's inside and makikita ko ano meron doon and everything. After ko magpirma ng contract, binigyan nila ako ng address where to pick up the key and I must get it between 12 to 1 lang. So binigay na nga sa akin yung mga keys and blip cards and then nag-fill up na din ako for my information and then sobrang kilig ko talaga nito. Grabe, totoo talaga yung sinasabi nila pag 30 plus years old ka na, iba nang magpapakilig sa'yo. Like bahay, pera, trabaho, ganun na no, adulting stage. So bitbit ko pa yung lunchbox ko kasi nga kakain nga ako sa loob. So super excited na ako. Ito pala yung building in front of my apartment. So yan yung binigay din nila sa akin, a blip card. Sa pinaka ground floor ng apartment ko, andun yung 2 stations ng laundry area. Meron ding garbage room and including the post boxes stations. At sobrang daming mga boxes doon. Hinahanap ko yung pangalan ko kasi I'm just so excited to see my name on a post box. And charan! Fuentes J! Oh my God! And I'm very happy kasi may elevator yung building na to. And sobrang perfect kasi nasa 4th floor yung apartment ko, which is the last floor in this building. But even though may elevator, meron din siyang extra na stairs if you want to take some exercise or mag-burn out, ganun. So, isang malaking hallway to siya and inisa-isa ko yung mga doors kasi hindi ko memorize yung number ko. Outside every apartments, may mga pangalan na nakalagay. So, I'm just so excited again to see my name. Oh my God! Grabe, Lord! So, are you ready for an apartment tour? Wala pang laman na gamit to guys ha. So, first time ko rin ito makita. I do have some friends as well na ganito din yung style ng apartment nila. But then, iba pa rin yung feeling. Kasi syempre okay na. So, yan yung mga cabinets. Empty pa talaga siya. So, sa wakas, feeling ko magkakasya naman yung mga damit ko dito. Mayroon pa sa taas na mga storage. So, it's really so good. Perfect. And ito, ganito siya ka-wide. It's a 1-room apartment lang pero may door yung papunta ng kitchen. So kadalasan ng mga apartments dito sa Sweden, meron na siyang lutuan, oven, and fridge. May mga ibang apartments naman na fully furnished na, but it's more expensive. I super like the kitchen kasi ang daming drawers and cabinets na pwedeng paglagyan ng mga anik-anik ko sa buhay. And ito pa ang pinaka-favorite ko. I have a balcony which has a very nice view, as in sobra, and in the balcony meron pang storage room. Oh my God, grabe Lord, I can't thank you enough for all these blessings that you have given me. Do you know what's on my mind in this moment? It was when I started here in Sweden as an au pair. It never came to my mind that this day would come. God said in His word in Isaiah 55:9, "For just as the heavens are higher than the earth, so my ways are higher than your ways, and my thoughts higher than your thoughts." That's how God can spoil us, not just giving what we need, but even the things that we don't need, He gives. We just have to trust His timing. I know He is not done yet. There will be more to come. And above all these things, I honor the Lord for this blessing. It is not because madiskarte ako, but above all reason, God is so good.